was doing some work here for a customer, and I noticed that they had a drip coming from the base of their faucet there, like, and so I had a peep underneath here, and look, we see only a bunch of puffed up countertop. So I gave them a few recommendations and a few options of faucet, and yeah, we're just going to put in. I'm going to put in this Delta, or this Walltech unit, 8-inch spread. Not their most fanciest unit, but it'll do the job for him. So good thing I intercepted it when I ran the faucet. So that's today's video. So I hope you enjoy and sit back and relax and watch the show. It's supposed to get easier as you rotate, you know. Maybe it's just welded on. It could just be binded. Oh, there we go. That's it. It's kind of tough too on the eyes. Sometimes the dust and like that. That had binded alright. See that rust? Even though it's plastic, it's still. That's rust, I think. Not good. Sometimes you have to get the saw and cut them off. Yeah, I've been done that many times. Yeah, I think that's after separating. That both screws are off. So that just separated from the actual faucet. Never seen that bad before. Broke off that scrap metal stuff that they have. down with my wrench once I have it braced. There we go, two handle. Oh. Half inch. Let me put that on again. Huh?
You good?
Oh yeah, everything's good, yeah. Yeah. Thank God. Yeah. Now I see those valves here, water is bypassing. So these valves are shut off entirely, right? But there's still water bubbling out of the top of them, so not the biggest, you know, thing in the world, but yeah, maybe in the future just upgrade them. Upgrade them. It's not causing me much of a headache now, so you can just leave it for now. Yeah. But if they were like squirting out here, I'd have to shut off the house and replace them. Okay, that's that. Oh, there we go. Fuck it. Yeah, that valve's gonna have to be replaced. You see that? You hear that?
Yeah.
That valve just pissing out there. Yeah. Okay, so what's after happening there is so you here. So we see these valves.
Oh, okay.
So these valves here have a rubber stem on the inside, so that can get compromised from lack of use. So what we'll have to do is we just have to shut the water off to the house and just put this in, take the old one out, and put that new one in. We might as well just do two at the same time.
Yeah, okay.
Unfortunately, yeah, that's how that's happening now. Be just a bit of residual water coming out of here. called the packing nut replacement, they call it. Packing nut. So that one there, the rubber just didn't even come on it. Stuck in there. Fight. Oh, come on. So that's the remnants of it. It's clear. Okay. This mess. You know, so sometimes you have to do this in a building where the main doesn't work properly. It's not fun. It's a lot of water. That's stiff, all right. That's wedged right in there. When people see this little tool, I tell them I used to be a dentist. They get a laugh out of it. This little tool. purge. That should purge into that. Hopefully to God, no, that doesn't leak. Yeah. Clean the sink first before I put that stuff in there. Just want to tighten that as well. That's always meant to be like that, okay?
Okay. Those pipes are okay though?
These ones are perfect, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. These are, you know, usually the common culprits. These are the first to go.
Okay.
Plastic though, fine. This is like a Home Depot plastic kit. They're about $20, $15. Yeah, it's fine. It's called tubular. That's a tubular kit, it's called. And then the other stuff then down here that's glue.
Oh, okay.
These are
Yeah,
threads,
okay.
as you already know. Yeah, I'd get a fan going.
Okay.
Yeah, in here.